Yeah, we're there again on the Yard Vibes. Apparently, the last Vybz Kartel video make some people mad in a comment. So I'm going to address some of them in a comment. And I just saw something on TVJ News regarding same lines the video. I'm going to show you how to get people mad. Substance abuse on the rise in Jamaica. Right? And on the last video, Vybz Kartel, in fact, was Anthony Miller put words in my mouth say alcohol, somewhat medicinal, and he ran with it. But anyway, this is Yard Vibes. As I said before, over here we don't want no fans. We don't want no yes men or yes women. We want objective perspective. We're bringing common sense back to Jamaica, right? Like Trump said, we're bringing back common sense to America. We're bringing it back to Jamaica. So, as much people we can get in here, we can give common sense, criticism, or whatever it is in the comments. That's what we are looking for. But we are going to address the people, them cartel sheep, and we're going to make him tell you. But this was what it was. So, the are going to let me speed up.
At the time.
Almost medicinal.
Almost medicinal. This is fully medicinal. 200-year-old.
There we go. Talking about raw medicine now. And we are go to the comment. But then this is video up on TVJ. You can go watch that video there if you want. Substance abuse on the rise.
A recent study by...
And the first thought we get, I come to me when I say this, I said, the TVJ see my video and I try to clean up. Because I use for them if you know how YouTube go, them can probably say who clip them video or whatever I use it. But it's fair use, so whatever. So me I go watch this video in a real time and we don't see what go on.
By the National Council on Drug Abuse has revealed that substance use is on the rise. As Sandy Williams reports, the Ministry of Health is already springing into action to address the problem.
A troubling trend is brewing, more Jamaicans turning to substance use. According to the findings of the 2023 National Drug Prevalence Survey, familiar names stand at the center of this surge: alcohol, ganja, and tobacco. Deeply.
First one him say what? Alcohol. After one boy I say, me I talk about how people, young youth, just a drink a go in Jamaica. Everywhere you go up on every corner, you be a rum, you see. I get drink. Most of the youth now them 20s, 30s look like them older than them parents.
Rooted into the Jamaican culture, the three continue to be the main drugs of choice. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has been combing through the data.
This is most notable in the 4% increase in the past year. That is from 56 to 60%, and current 42 to 46% alcohol use, and the same level of increase, 4% in the past year in the use of cigarettes, from 12.7% to 16.8%.
The study also revealed that more males are using drugs than females. Dr. Tufton, reflecting on the...
In America is the opposite. More young women are using marijuana and alcohol more than men.
These findings notes that this trend is not new. It's a familiar thread entrenched into past research, even among the nation's youth.
What is being experienced in several societies is a narrowing of...
Bear in mind this is the same TVJ where I put video up with Kartel, I promote him new liquor as medicine.
The gender gap, with a greater proportion, however, of women using substances than in the past years. The survey also revealed that the age of onset of use for males is approximately 2 years earlier, age 16 years, than the age of onset of use among females, which is approximately age 18 years.
The data also revealed a sobering landscape of substance use across the parishes. In Trelawney, 57.5% of residents report consuming alcohol, marking the highest rate in the country. St. Anne and Kingston follow closely with 54% and 52% respectively. Ganja use, meanwhile, is led by Kingston at 27%, while Trelawney and
You want me to be a hypocrite? I ain't the moral police, as we said before, but I rather this be up than the other ones.
Clarendon follow
I'm promoting anything, just saying.
with nearly a quarter of their residents indulging. And when it comes to tobacco, St. Andrew claims the top spot with 17.5% of its residents lighting up, trailed by Trelawney at 16.1% and St. Anne at 14.5%. For the health minister, these figures are more than statistics. They're a call to action. It's why the Ministry of Health is now considering prevention and treatment strategies tailored to each parish's unique challenges.
The truth is that even though we're talking about one country, there are subcultures that may be unique based on particular features in different parts of the country. And what we're doing is singling out on a parish by parish level some of those that stands out. It doesn't mean that we can't apply a strategy right across the board, and we will, but we may need some particular intervention.
We need these strategies applied to crime too. Zone by zone, sweep by sweep, house by house, ghetto by ghetto.
In some of these environments based on the response.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
So there you go. People, I'm gonna comment. Anne Marie, if you white man are telling you, or in news, they're telling you, I won't believe it. My video was 3-4 days ago. The substance abuse video by the same network that I got it from. The Vybz Kartel video from was a day ago. How ironic, huh? But anyway, let's see what I comment them myself since we start put up that video. We start from earliest. I haven't even read through some of these yet. This was when. Bro, I agree with you 100%. Typically, I don't listen to any and every Jamaican vlogger, but I must tell you, you are a smart man. I will subscribe. Gladstone, Nullet. No, I wouldn't consider myself a smart man. I just have experience in a few things. Gladstone. I'm not in my 40s yet, still 30s, but you know, when you pay attention to certain things, you pick up on certain things. And you just try to be objective and critical thinking. That's about it. But hopefully we can have more conversation, whether when I go live or during the comment, whichever. Good looking out. Trump don't hide nothing, whatever. Whatever he gonna do, he talks about. True. Glory, I'm a Jamaican, voted for Trump. Very grateful that he won to stop the gender madness that Project 25 is a total lie. Okay, those are from the Trump video, I can't watch them too. Okay, so we start with Vybz Kartel. So me want you talk about Andrew Holness. We are mash up Jamaica. See, this is something wrong with this person. They can't stay on topic. The message says Vybz Kartel promote freedom. Oh, what was it? Okay, give alcohol as medicine. Now him jump gone all the way Andrew Holness. So this person is a total idiot. Bro, you're not the first, and that's all over the black culture, whether yard and abroad. Don't single out one person. This is another fucking idiot who don't pay attention and can't stay on topic. Probably none of these people listen to your full video. So what you're trying to say, you sound mad. Mind your F, Gaza I do his thing. Him never tell you to over drink. This is another sheep. Is a matter, hold on, I have a video, but make him tell you about them people, yeah.
The only thing you can expect from Vybz Kartel is the unexpected. Vybz Kartel is a man who just get up tomorrow morning. That's another straighten me here. Or never put dreads.
Yeah, because
and we will chill it next week.
Yeah, cornrows. Yeah.
But man saying can get up, depends on what side I bet him get up and how he feel on the day, that's how he move. So all on the phonetics being controlled by a person's mood. So dumb and stupid most sound or worship artists.
We got locks, we did the cream, we just do what we feel like. We have about 1 million tattoo. All my tattoo them have a show. If we not cake soap on the skin.
So why did you say a cake soap then? You say a cake soap just for the fun night?
Yeah, because I know people are going to buy into it. Remember,
Yeah.
people are like sheep, you know, and I am the shepherd, you know. They're easy for the lead. And they're easy for lead. It's so easy, it's like, it's hilarious. Because we say cake soap, everybody take it up. Oh, cake soap, this cake soap, that. And then
You have a whole on a bleach, looking like a damn monkey. You are a bunch of stupid people looking up to artists and worshipping them and trying to argue with people about artists. Clowns. I'm telling you.
it's so easy, it's like,
Let's go back to your comment. What about Ray and Nephew, Hennessy, logo off the man shirt, KMT, what that mean, Kiss My Teeth, and Marie Reed. Another fucking idiot. This is a type of woman, female, that go around and be a second, third, fourth side bitch to a man. She's a type of female out there. But we say, oh, my man a bad man, my man will done it when she argue her road. Anything the man do when we're fighting. Obviously, she didn't listen to the video clearly because I said video sold everywhere. So, as business, I can't knock him doing business. But pushing alcohol as medicine is an issue. See, substance abuse on the rise. You wonder why so much car accident happen on the streets of Jamaica. These are people you call NPCs. Let me see. This is what they mean. I comment me. NPC, also known whatever the right blah 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 blah. Those who lack introspect or interpersonal communications. Those who identify is deemed entirely determined by their surroundings and the information they consume, with no conscious processing whatsoever being done by the person themselves. So all of these people on the Vybz Kartel video, there are a bunch of NPCs, sheeps, yes men. They don't have a thought for themselves. But I can't even comment because the only thing they might do is report the comment and they might slow down the overall message or I try to push up. I won't be the one to entertain and comment. I will talk about it though. And when you talk facts, people say you're bad mind and jealous. Of course, the rum is an influence because he's a very influential person promoting it, and the youths who look up to him is going to overuse this rum and hurt themselves. I know everything glitter a gold. I don't care who wants to say me jealous or bad mind. When you are an influential person, you have to think about how the things you do and say will impact especially the younger generation who are influenced by you. Even cigarette should be banned over proof rum, but no, these people value money over health. Samantha Gardner, she gets it. You see, two different women. One woman, one female, two different. This is somebody who actually probably watch the video and process it. This one probably still watch all of the video. But it's an NPC. She can't separate her Lord Kartel from reality. So I just wanted to address that. And if you don't think no feelings are gonna hurt, maybe if Samantha not gonna like me when we done. Maybe Gladstone not gonna like me. Come the day of nobody like me. I mean, I rub a lot of people wrong. I cut different because I don't care about your feelings when it comes to the truth. Just stay tuned. I'm out.